If we look at our different flight rules, guys, what was R-VLOS? Remember that R-VLOS and R-LOS are not the same thing. That's right, restricted visual line of sight. Okay, so what are the limitations for restricted visual line of sight? 150 feet high and 300 meters wide. Is that according to the regulation? No, it is not. What is the regulation? The regulation with R-VLOS says you are allowed to fly 500 meters away from you, but not within that 500 meter radius. You're not allowed to fly higher than the highest object around you within a 300 meter radius. Okay, cool. So the highest object around me is 3,000 feet. Okay, I'm licensed to fly beyond line of sight, but I'm not allowed to go above 400 feet. Now I'm flying R-VLOS and I can fly 3,000 feet. Like, that's ridiculous. Okay, then we've got VLOS. VLOS parameters are what? 400 feet, 500 meters. What's the third parameter? There you go. You have to see the drone. Okay. Guys, if I'm flying my drone on the other side of this wall, that is not R-VLOS and that's not VLOS. That is B-VLOS, because I can't see the drone. Which then takes us into, let's forget about E-VLOS. We all know E-VLOS, it's a bullshit. Let's go into B-VLOS, okay? Beyond visual line of sight. This is where you can't see the drone. So what do you need to do? B-VLOS is the only rating that will allow you to apply autopilot flying to your drone. VLOS, you're not allowed to apply autopilot. You have to maintain every sort of line of sight, including with your remote control. But in B-VLOS, you're allowed to swap over to BR-LOS, beyond radio line of sight. BR-LOS is what you use to allow autopilot. Why? You use the GPS signals of the satellite to plan a mission on a software. You load that mission onto the drone. The drone then knows what it needs to do. You don't need to have control. You press enter and it's beyond radio line of sight, because now the satellite signals are what are controlling the drone. The drone says, oh, this satellite signal said to go there, so I'm going to go there. Then go there, I'm going to go there. What satellite signals am I talking about? Global Positioning System. The GPS. How does GPS work with satellites?